So I'm making the second part of the switch. I'm sticking the wire in for money to just get it so it will fit snugly on it here. Bell going to ring in a few minutes. We plug in here. In 10 minutes bell will ring. Let's see if we can get this done in 10 minutes. Where's the other arm? So we do our next one here. This one might be a little too long, but we'll work it there for now. Alright, we pull in this here. Alright, so you see the second one is done this way. Scissors anyone? Right. We clip off here. So you see we have the same construct. You all see that? I'm putting this in here. And we're going to run one end to a motor. See, like a motor. Anybody could hook up a motor there? Where's the screwdriver, the Philip head?
Right by hand.
Alright. Hook up one end to a motor, please, somebody. Without breaking the arm. Hook it up the back one so we can see it going backward and forward. Huh? Somebody get ready to touch the star battery. Right? Hold on. We're going now. What we're going to attempt. Similarly, this is 2 battery wires here. These are 2 here. This is for the front going left and right. We'll hook up a battery here. Lloyd. We are here. This is 2 battery hooking up there. Sorry, the battery is hooking up one to the front here. Now, I'm demonstrating this. Afterwards, you will do it on your own, right? And I'll show you the diagram I drew on the board is where we pulling out the power source from here for the 3H class that I showed just now, right? So this is here. I'm hooking up 2. I'm hooking up 2 to this motor here. And I need to peel this up a little more. Hopefully, when we turn it, it should just move backward and forward. We get a second one typed up here. Anybody have that tape? We have masking tape anyway, or electric tape? Go get it. Okay, I'll allow you now.
Just give him permission.
You don't understand that concept. Alright. So, hopefully this should move backward and forward. So this is the switch that we made here. Touch it. You can touch it there now. Hold it, one. Right. Take a look at this. Alright. And if you turn it the next way, forward, backward. And there's our 3-way switch. You see how simple that is?
Very difficult.
Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Because of the switch. You're focusing there?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you very much. Take it off.